What's up everybody, Matt Moran here for another video from Detroit. So this is the all-new 2019 Chevy Silverado. The one we're looking at here is an LT. I also filmed an LT Trail Boss and also an High Country, so stay tuned for that in a few seconds here. But Silverado looks very good. Not sure about that badge there on the hood, but it is different, and I do like the lines you see there in the fenders. It has a little bit more of a sculpted look than the previous generation trucks, and looks pretty good. They're 1.6 inches longer than the outgoing model as well. So a little bit more spacious, 450 pounds lighter too, which is really impressive. I also really love the Chevrolet being embossed into the tailgate there. That's also kind of a retro throwback and just looks cool. Like those taillights too, a little bit of a different design. And so yeah, still very big trucks. The interior on the LTs is pretty basic. You know, again, compared to stuff like the brand new Dodge Ram, which has a much more futuristic looking interior, this looks kind of old fashioned, honestly. But a lot of truck buyers just want something basic. They don't want all the bells and whistles and anything super high tech. So I think that, you know, obviously there's, I think, 8 different trims for the Silverado. So you can get some ones that are more nicely appointed, of course, but none of them have the same high tech stuff like the new Ram. Anyway, though, you have the Trail Boss version here, which looks much more aggressive, no chrome, and everything's blacked out instead. Also has a lift on it as well, some off-road tires to make it look, you know, a lot more aggressive and more off-road capable. Yeah, they just look really good. And then this is the High Country version, which you know, has more chrome once again and a little bit more of a mature look, I suppose, you know, a little more subdued. And yeah, I really like that little LED element they have there. You know, in person this looks much better, I have to add. You know, in pictures I wasn't sure about this new Silverado, but in person it really works and works pretty well and looks good. I got some chrome exhaust tips here on the High Country. There's gonna be 6 different engine options, by the way, for the Silverado here, including a new 3-liter Duramax diesel engine as well. But they didn't give any specifics on those engines, so I'm sure we'll be getting more info on that down the road. But anyway, let me know your thoughts about it in the comments below. Thank you guys very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Take care.